Welcome to our final module, Module 5. You have done all the hard work. You've structured your presentation, designed it beautifully, and even added professional animations. Now, it's time for the moment of truth, delivering it to an audience. To help you do this with confidence and control, PowerPoint has a secret weapon just for you, the speaker. It's called Presenter View. What is Presenter View? Presenter View is your personal command center during a presentation. When you are connected to a second screen, like a projector or another monitor, Presenter View works its magic. It shows a special screen to you, while your audience only sees the main slide. This is what separates an amateur from a pro. It lets you see everything you need to deliver a flawless presentation without revealing your cues to the audience. To use it, connect your computer to a projector, go to the Slideshow tab, and make sure the box for Use Presenter View is checked. Then, when you start your slideshow, you will see the presenter screen. Here's what you see in Presenter View. 1. Current slide. A large view of what your audience is currently seeing. 2. Next slide. A small preview of the slide that's coming up next. This is a lifesaver, allowing you to smoothly transition your talking points. 3. Speaker notes. Here are the notes you typed in the notes pane. They are your private teleprompter. 4. Timer. This shows you how long you've been presenting, helping you stay on schedule. 5. Annotation tools. At the bottom, you have tools like a laser pointer, pen, and highlighter that you can use on your slide to draw your audience's attention to key points.
Let's do a dry run. You don't need a second screen for this practice. 1. Open your presentation. 2. Go to the Slideshow tab and start the show. 3. Now right-click on the screen and from the menu, choose Show Presenter View. 4. Take a moment to identify all the key areas on your screen, your main slide, the preview of the next slide, and your speaker notes. 5. Look at the bottom of the screen. Hover over the pen icon and select the laser pointer. Move your mouse around on the main slide to see it in action. Getting comfortable with this view before you present will dramatically boost your confidence.
Incredible! You now know how to use the single most powerful tool for delivering a presentation. Presenter View is your private dashboard that keeps you on track, on time, and confident from your first slide to your last. Before you present, however, there's one final quality check we must always perform. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to proofread our presentation for spelling errors. See you there!